Okay, here are two pieces glass. Today we're going to make a video to show you how to recognize the glass quality. Now we're going to put some water on the glass. As you can see, this is the first one. Okay, next one. This is second one. We put some water on the glass, and you can see the first glass, the water always keep together, and the second glass, the water can't keep together. That means the oil coating is much better on the first glass. The glass on the first pieces can come to everywhere and always keep, but the second one, you can see in the video. Second one, the water can't go into the same place. Okay, here are still two pieces glass. Now we're going to check the glass temperature. If the glass temperature is very good, then you can bend the glass to a very big degree, and the glass pieces will be very smaller. Okay, here we go. The first pieces. Okay, as you can see, it's very good. It's very good. Okay, the next one. 下一个. Now we're going to check the next one. Okay, as you can see, the first one quality is very good, and this is the bad one.